What's up, Mopar fam? Today on this episode, we'll be changing the air filter on a Jeep Grand Cherokee WK2 SRT with your Mopar bro at FredEasy21. Yep. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Changing the air filter on a Jeep Grand Cherokee WK2 is so easy to do, you could even do it on a cold winter day. Alright, check this out. No tools needed for today. Maybe a flathead screwdriver to help unclip the airbox spring clips, but your fingers should do it. You can find a listing of the air filter part numbers in the description after watching this video. Awesome. Alright, let's get it. First thing to do is pop the hood and locate the WK2 air intake box, which is located on the driver's side of the engine bay behind the headlight. We are working on the 6.4 liter Hemi, but the locations are similar for the 5.7 liter Hemi and 3.6 liter Pentastar engines. Next, let's unclip the two airbox spring clips. Your fingers should do, but you can use a flathead screwdriver to pry them off if you wish. Now that the spring clips are off, let's lift the top of the airbox up and away from the two rear locator slots from the lower portion of the airbox. Alright, with the top of the airbox up, now we can remove the old air filter. Damn, that baby was dirty. At this time, you can inspect the bottom portion of the airbox and decide whether or not you would like to clean the debris that's there. Alright, let's go ahead and throw in our new air filter. You can find a listing of the air filter part numbers in the description. Once the new air filter is in, let's install the top of the airbox. There are two plastic tabs at the back of the top of the airbox. Simply slide the tabs into the locator slots from the lower portion of the airbox. After sliding in the upper tabs into the bottom locator slots, press down on the top of the airbox and clip in the spring clips. Finally, let's clean up and start the Mopar. Let it run for a minute and make sure no check engine lights come on and we find the engine running smoothly. Congratulations, you have now installed a new air filter on your Jeep Grand Cherokee WK2. This procedure is similar for the 5.7 liter Hemi and a 3.6 liter Pentastar engines. The maintenance schedule on the WK2 air filter is every 50,000 kilometers or 30,000 miles. For me, it's way too cheap of an item to go 50,000 kilometers without replacing the air filter. As we can see, it was hella dirty. Alright? Way too dirty. In my opinion, I change it early at every third oil change or every 30,000 kilometers for peace of mind. You can find a listing of the WK2 air filter part numbers as well as the instructions in the description below. Also check out our other videos in the comments. Hope this helps, Mopar fam. Peace.